The AZZUNO 155Amp 5-in-1 welder is remarkably versatile, offering modes such as Gasless MIG, gas mag, aluminum MIG, stick, and Lift TIG, which makes it suitable for a wide range of welding tasks. With dual voltage capability of 110 volts and 220 volts, this welder adapts easily to different power sources, enhancing its usability on various job sites. Users will appreciate the welder's ability to support a variety of wire spools and diameters, making it flexible for different welding requirements, including aluminum and flux core wire. A standout feature is its streamlined aluminum MIG welding process, which eliminates the need for additional equipment like a Teflon liner or spool gun, simplifying operations for the user. The welder includes advanced MIG welding options with SYNERGIC, 2T, and 4T modes, allowing both automated and manual settings for greater control and precision. The comprehensive package includes essential accessories such as a MIG torch, electrode holder, ground clamp, and various wire spools, ensuring you have everything needed to start welding right away.